Atoms and molecules. Everything you see is made from many types of building blocks joined together in different ways. These building blocks are called atoms. Atoms are so small that a single grain of salt contains millions of atoms. Some substances are made of only one type of atom. These substances are called elements and are found on the periodic table of elements. Other substances, like water, contain molecules, atoms joined together. Each water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. An atom is made up of a dense center called a nucleus. The nucleus of an atom contains particles called protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive charge of electricity while neutrons have no electric charge. By the way, please subscribe for more educational videos about science, space, nature, and more. Particles with a negative charge are called electrons. Electrons move around the nucleus. Discovering the atom. About 2,400 years ago, the Greek philosopher Democritus believed that everything was made of tiny particles. It was not until 1808 that English scientist John Dalton proved that atoms exist. In 1909, New Zealand scientist Ernest Rutherford discovered the nucleus. It's fascinating to learn about the tiny particles that build up everything we see. Thank you for watching.